A substance that furnishes off ions when dissolved in water is classified as what? A. An indicator. B. A base. C. Was salt. D. An acid. The correct answer is B. A base. What determines the income tax slab for the current year? A. International banking regulations. B. Income tax website information. C. Local grocery store advertisements. D. Individual employer policies. The correct answer is B. Income tax website information. Which part of the heart is described as a muscular pumping organ? A. Lungs. B. Heart. C. Blood vessels. D. Diaphragm. The correct answer is B. Heart. Which Supreme Court served as the model for the courts in Madras and Bombay? A. Supreme Court of Madras. B. Supreme Court of Calcutta. C. Supreme Court of London. D. Supreme Court of Delhi. The correct answer is B. Supreme Court of Calcutta. Who founded the Bahmani Kingdom? A. Muhammad III. B. Muhammad I. C. Aluddin Hassan Bahman Shah. D. Mahmud Gawa. The correct answer is C. Aluddin Hassan Bahman Shah. Which celestial body did Galileo observe to have mountains? A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. The Moon. D. The Sun. The correct answer is C. The Moon. What is the approximate velocity of light in vacuum? A. 3x10 7 ms1. B. 3x10 8 ms1. C. 3x10 6 ms1. D. 3x10 9 ms1. The correct answer is B. 3x10 8 ms1. What triggers the immune system to release histamine? A. Intense physical exercise. B. Entry of foreign bodies like pollens. C. Exposure to extremely cold temperatures. D. Consumption of vitamin supplements. The correct answer is B. Entry of foreign bodies like pollens. What are the three principles of Jainism also known as? A. The Triratnas. B. The Kachi principles. C. The Mahavir's observances. D. The Gautama Buddha principles. The correct answer is A. The Triratnas. Where did one of the characters see two birds building a nest? A. In a desert. B. Near the flowers. C. In a tree. D. In a pond. The correct answer is C. In a tree. What is a defining characteristic of animals in phylum Mollusca? A. Presence of setae. B. Soft bodies. C. Hard exoskeleton. D. Jointed legs. The correct answer is B. Soft bodies. What is one of the goals of Road Safety Week regarding accidents? A. To increase accident reporting. B. To study accident patterns. C. To reduce casualties due to road accidents. D. To identify new accident hotspots. The correct answer is C. To reduce casualties due to road accidents. What happens when the Sun, Moon, and Earth are aligned in the same line? A. The collective gravitational pull strengthens. B. Ocean currents reverse direction. C. The collective gravitational pull weakens. D. Tides cease to occur. The correct answer is A. The collective gravitational pull strengthens. Who was the ruler during Athens' peak civilization? A. Caesar. B. Pericles. C. Alexander. D. Darius. The correct answer is B. Pericles. Who was the founder of Jainism brought up by? A. His biological mother. B. His stepmother. C. His grandmother. D. His aunt. The correct answer is B. His stepmother. What is another name for oxidizing agents? A. Electron acceptors. B. Electron donors. C. Catalysts. D. Reducing agents. The correct answer is A. Electron acceptors. What concept is emphasized for the government's role in road safety? A. Correction and order. B. Indifference. C. Promotion of speeding. D. Laxity. The correct answer is A. Correction and order. After 1858, what type of administration did India come under? A. British Crown's direct administration. B. French Crown. C. East India Company's direct rule. D. Danish Crown. The correct answer is A. British Crown's direct administration. What is a learning objective related to diseases? A. To classify food components. B. To describe personal hygiene. C. To list out the deficiency diseases. D. To evaluate nutrient importance. The correct answer is C. To list out the deficiency diseases. What type of organism are prawns classified as? A. Amphibian. B. Shellfish. C. Finfish. D. Mollusk. The correct answer is B. Shellfish. What is the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland also known as? A. Thyroid gland. B. Neurohypophysis. C. Adenohypophysis. D. Pineal gland. The correct answer is C. Adenohypophysis. What aspects are studied during the physical examination of an unknown salt? A. Color, smell, and density. B. Reactivity, solubility, and pH. C. Melting point, boiling point, and conductivity. D. Crystal structure, hardness, and magnetism. The correct answer is A. Color, smell, and density. What material was used to build the Kalnai Dike? A. Bricks. B. Stones. C. Mud. D. Or wood. The correct answer is B. Stones. What gives rise to the finger-like projections called cristae? A. The intermembrane space. B. The outer mitochondrial membrane. C. The inner mitochondrial membrane. D. The mitochondrial matrix. The correct answer is C. The inner mitochondrial membrane. What age group is specified for educational opportunities under the 11th fundamental duty? A. Between 4 and 12 years. B. Between 7 and 15 years. C. Between 5 and 13 years. D. Between 6 and 14 years. The correct answer is D. Between 6 and 14 years. What process performed by plants produces oxygen in the air? A. Photosynthesis. B. Decomposition. C. Respiration. D. Combustion. The correct answer is A. Photosynthesis. What describes the appearance of subbituminous coal? A. Black and dull. B. Gray and metallic. C. Brown and shiny. D. White and crystalline. The correct answer is A, black and dull. What is the symbol for the element Neptunium? A, Ne. B, No. C, Ni. D, Np. The correct answer is D, Np. What is the name of the phase of nationalism mentioned in the text? A, Gandhian phase. B, extremist phase. C, Nehruvian phase. D, moderate phase. The correct answer is A, Gandhian phase. What are the two main types of acids mentioned? A, natural acids and mineral acids. B, strong acids and weak acids. C, solid acids and liquid acids. D, organic acids and inorganic acids. The correct answer is A, natural acids and mineral acids. How did you score?